Hi everyone! Ready to level up your English? Today, we're learning the past simple and past continuous tenses, key tools to talk about the past. Stay till the end for a quick exercise. Let's get started. Let's begin with the past simple. Here's how the verb looks for all pronouns. I walked. You walked. He walked. She walked. It walked. We walked. They walked. The rule is simple. For regular verbs, add ed to the base verb. For example, walk, walked. Play, played. Some verbs in the past simple are irregular and don't follow the usual rules. You'll need to memorize them. For example, go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Have becomes had. Check my accounts for a full list to help you out. For negatives, use did not, didn't, plus the base verb. For example, I didn't walk. He didn't eat. For questions, use did, plus subject, plus base verb. For example, did you walk? Did she finish the homework? We use the past simple for 1. Completed actions in the past. For example, I visited Essaouira last summer. She cooked couscous yesterday. 2. A series of past actions. For example, he woke up, got dressed, and went to the cafe. We finished our tea and left the house. Stay tuned for the exercise at the end of the video to test what you've just learned. Now, let's move on to the past continuous. Here's how the verb looks with all pronouns. I was walking. You were walking. He was walking. She was walking. It was walking. We were walking. They were walking. The rule is as follows. Was or were plus the verb with ing. For example, they were playing football. For negatives, add not after was or were. For example, I wasn't studying. They weren't playing football. For questions, move was or were to the front. For example, was she studying? Were they playing? We use the past continuous for 1. Actions in progress at a specific time in the past. For example, at 9 p.m. last night, I was watching TV. He was praying when I called. 2. Interrupted actions. For example, I was cooking dinner when the power went out. They were walking to the souk when it started raining. 3. Two actions happening at the same time. For example, she was sewing while her brother was studying. We were drinking tea and chatting. And now, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense. Yesterday, he. Fresh vegetables from the market. The answer is yesterday, he bought fresh vegetables from the market. At 3 p.m., my room. The answer is at 3 p.m., I was cleaning my room. We. To the wedding last week. The answer is we didn't go to the wedding last week. Great job, everyone! You've learned how to use the past simple and past continuous tenses. Keep practicing by writing your own sentences or using these tenses in conversations. Like, share, and follow me for more lessons. Next week, we'll talk about the future tenses. See you soon!